So grey, white, grey, black, white. That's really cool, but what if we want to add some colors? In this case, I have to go back to the parcels page. So I click right here on this address, 1 address. I get on the parcels page. As you can see, there's an add color button right here. I'm not going to click on it yet. What we're going to do first is open a new tab. You go Uniswap, and then you go for the second link, Uniswap Exchange. That's where we want to go. Cool. So here we've got our F input and the output. So we want to select a token, and you'll see that if you type COLR inside here, you won't find anything. So what we have to do is go back to CryptoVoxels, click Help, scroll down, and click on Using COLR right here. Then you copy this address right here, go back to the Uniswap Exchange, and select a token and paste the address right here. And there you go, COLR. So the exchange rate is fixed for colors. So if I put 0.01, it's going to give me 24. If I put 0.1, 24 and 1, 241, sorry about that. There you go. So I don't have a sufficient balance right now, but what I do have is I already have 10 COLR in my account. So what I'll do is I'll close the tab, go back to my parcels page, previous. I'll click on add COLR, and I'll put 10 here. Okay. Now MetaMask is going to open a window and ask me the gas fees and to confirm. Right, so now we play the waiting game and we wait for MetaMask to give us a confirmation of the transaction. Awesome, so we just got a confirmation from MetaMask that our transaction was confirmed. We can scroll down and look at colors here. If you don't see 10, or if you don't see an updated number, then you can press the squid, or as we say in the CryptoVoxels community, squid it. Right, so we've clicked the squid, we indeed have 10 colors. Now what we can do is we can go back on our parcel by clicking on visit. So now I'm on my parcel. It's loading a little bit. If I press tab, then the cube, I should see at the bottom here some colors. And if you don't see those, it means that the squid has not worked properly. In which case you can go back to your parcel, you squid it, and you visit again. There you go. So this is the screen you should have with colors down at the bottom. Right, so I'm going to click on one of those colors, so say blue, and choose this little dot here. This will give me blue cubes, blue voxels with the little dot in the middle. Awesome. What if we want purple? Purple with a cross. In this case, I'm going to select it here. There you go, and we've got our purple wall with crosses on it.